Savor the Language. Talking about food and cooking in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we'll take our English skills to the kitchen as we dive into the delightful topic of food and cooking. Whether you're a budding chef, a foodie, or someone who just enjoys a good meal, this lesson will equip you with the vocabulary and phrases you need to discuss all things culinary in English. So, let's get cooking. Let's begin with some essential vocabulary you'll need when talking about food and cooking. Here are a few key terms. Ingredients. These are the items or materials used in preparing a dish. Utensils. These are the tools used in cooking, like a knife, spatula, or frying pan. Recipe. This is a set of instructions that tells you how to prepare or cook something. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these words in sentences. For example, I followed the recipe, but I forgot one of the ingredients. I didn't have the right utensil to mix them. Next, let's look at phrases we use to talk about meals and tastes. What's your favorite dish? This is a question you can ask to learn about someone's favorite food. I have a sweet tooth. You can say this if you love sugary foods. That's too spicy for me. Use this phrase if a food has too much spice for your liking. Try practicing these phrases with friends or in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with them. Finally, we're going to spice things up a bit and explore some English idioms related to food. The cherry on top. This means an extra attraction or advantage. Take something with a grain of salt. This means to view something with skepticism or not take it too seriously. Spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. These idioms can add flavor to your English conversations. Try to use them in your dialogues or writings. That's a wrap for today's lesson, folks. We've simmered down the basics of discussing food and cooking in English, and I hope it's been as tasty for you as it has been for me. Remember, like cooking, language learning also requires time, practice, and a pinch of patience. So, keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself cooking up flavorful English conversations effortlessly. Until next time, bon appétit and happy learning.